Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing my Ramadan decor and couple DIYs. Please subscribe if you haven't already and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Let's get started. For the first DIY, I will be making the red stars and a gold moon banner. So things you're gonna need is a gold and red sheet of paper, some scissors and a string and some tape. I also print out these moon and a star stencil from the internet. I cut the moon out first and I'm tracing that moon at the back of the paper. And then I will be cutting them out individually. Next, I will be cutting out the stars. So I cut out the star stencil and I will be tracing that star stencil at the back of the red sheet of paper and drawing a couple of the stars. And then I will be individually cutting all the stars. This is how the moons and the stars looked. Here I am just planning it out how I want the moons and the stars to look in the banner. Now I will be taking this burlap ribbon, or you can take any kind of ribbon you have, and I will be taping the moon and the stars on the ribbon. And here is the final look of the banner. Next, I will be making red and gold lantern banner. So the things you're going to need is the same gold and red paper I will be using. I'm making the lantern at the back of a gold paper, and then I will be cutting that one lantern out, and then I will be tracing that lantern at the back of both the gold and the red paper. That way it's easier to just cut them out and not draw individually with your hand. So I cut out about 4 red and 4 gold lanterns, and then I will be placing 1 red and 1 gold lantern just like that, and then I will be flipping them. I will be using the white and gold ribbon to tape them down and make it into the banner. For the next banner, you're going to need some gold stickers, a banner pad, a white and gold ribbon, scissors, and tape. So here I'm just taking out the stickers, and then I'll be using that banner pad, and I'll be just placing each letter on the banner pad individually and spelling out the word Ramadan. Here I'm just making sure that I have spelled out the Ramadan correctly and I have all the letters. And then I also wanted to make a star and a moon on the banner pad, so I'm tracing a crescent moon and a star, and then I will be cutting that out and putting it on the banner pad. Now I'm using my pencil to punch out the holes in the banner. Then I'll be using the white ribbon to put all the banner together. So I couldn't put the ribbons in the tiny holes correctly, so I used the tape and put it around the front of the ribbon, so it made like a pointy face of it, so it was easier to just put the ribbons easily in the tiny holes. Alright guys, the last DIY, I'm just using the gold and the red paper that I have left over, and I will be making a masjid banner. So I'm just hand drawing the masjid over here And then I will be just cutting that one masjid out again, and I'll be just using that one masjid stencil to just trace the rest of it out and then cutting them individually. After I cut all the masjid, I'm just using the white ribbon, and then I will be taping one red and one gold masjid with the tape. So the first thing I have in my living room is this basket that I have my praying mats in there, and then I hung the banner of the mosque of the masjid up there, and then at the back of my sofa I have some twinkling lights that I got from Amazon. And here on the sofa I also have these gold pillows that I got there from Amazon, and the pink pillow that I DIY. I will leave that video in the iCard or down below. On my coffee table I have a glitter frame that I got from TJ Maxx, and I put that Ramadan picture in it that I found on Google. And I also have that golden vase that I put some stickers on it around it from Michael's, and I put some red roses in it that I got from Walmart. And that golden lantern is from Dollar Tree that I spray painted gold. And here I have my bench here that I have some pillows on here, and then I put all my 3 of the DIYs on this wall with some twinkling lights. Under my TV stand, I put the Ramadan Mubarak sign that I made last year. I also hung the stars banner at the top of the TV. Dining room area, I decorated some more for Ramadan. Here's the sign I made in my DIY video. I'll link that down below again. And I also have a rainbow Quran there and a tasbih. And here is the Ramadan Mubarak advent calendar I got from Etsy. I will leave her down below. I also have a container that I have some kajus in it, and I also have more of those gold lanterns that you saw on my coffee table, and I got those 2 gold jars from Home Goods last year. And I put some twinkling lights in there and 2 of the roses. And in this frame I just print out the dua for opening the fast and closing the fast. And here I have the Ramadan Encyclopedia book for kids. I found that on Amazon, so I put that over there. I received that Allah House door as a gift, so I put that over there with the rose and the lantern. And then on the shelf I have these ornaments and a ribbon. I put that on the shelf, and I have some Muhammad sign over there and a rose and lantern and an A sign representing Allah. On this shelf I have a letterboard saying Ramadan, and I spelled it out saying remember Allah afternoon, day and night. And then I have the Allah sign over there. Then on this side I have the Ayatul Kursi on the wall, and I put that another banner I made of the moon and the crescent. And on my dining table I have this DIY I made on my recent DIY. So I hope you like this Ramadan decor, you guys, and the DIYs I made in this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.